So we got a car here, a Dodge Caravan, turn signal that's flashing way too fast. So we're gonna check this car out. Check this out. And we do got the key on, the engine's off. You see this? It's flickering in here too fast as well. If I switch the signal to the other side, and now you can see it's turning normal. So we give it a left side signal, which is turning normal speed, and in the back a normal speed. But let's change the signal to the right side. Check that out. So if you got a vehicle doing this, it could be any car. See that? It's flickering really fast. It's due to the power draw. The signal here is not working. As you can see, it was working over here. So the bulb we already have located is this one right here. Probably a dual flare bulb. And since this bulb went bad, it's too much power into the flasher relay, which is gonna flicker faster, and it's gonna make the signal. That's just a indication that you have a bad bulb. All you need to do is look in the back and front. It could be both bulbs on, not just one. So let's go ahead and change that bulb. Let's pop open the trunk. And in our case, we got a lot of retainers here. Let me get some light, and we got a couple of retainers. So some cars have bolts and stuff, but this one has these little plastic clip retainers. That's what it look like. We got two of them, and this will simply come right out. And guess what? This light comes right off. And what we need to do here next is we're gonna pop open this little circuit board here. Okay, not even. We're gonna just pop open this bulb here. So we just need to get our hands on this bulb. And we're gonna leave the light behind. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get a bulb, okay? This is a dual flare bulb. Make sure you put a dual flare bulb. And if it has a dual, meaning it has a dual filament inside, that's what we mean by a dual flare. So I am gonna take off my gloves and let me go get a bulb. So this bulb is 3057 on this vehicle. So if you got a vehicle that needs a bulb, make sure you go by the correct bulb. So if it has a dual flares, if you put a single flare, you're gonna blow the fuses. I'm gonna go get a bulb. So we got our bulb. You never want to touch the flare, the glass part of the bulb. So 30 on 57. You're gonna take this bulb, stick it in, okay? It doesn't matter which direction you stick it in, it's gonna work the same way. Once you stick it in, we're gonna take this bulb and stick it right back in there. And before we close it up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go fire it up. So we got normal speed now. Check this out. Normal speed. So we got this bulb working. Oops. We got this bulb working. It's working. So that's how simple it is. If anytime one of your bulbs go out, it is gonna start to flicker. That's just a little sign that you have that there is something off. That's how simple this guy is. So let's put this back together. So we're gonna take our retainers, stick them in there, close it up. I gotta go all the way in. So there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. Bada bing, bada boom. Small little repairs you can do at home. Don't go to the mechanic, don't go to the dealer, don't waste your time and money. And they might tell you a flasher is bad or something else is bad, which can cost you about $200 to $300 bucks. And it's just a simple 50-cent bulb. Thank you for watching, guys.